The notion of hybrid versus really more of Office 365 than Lync itself. In the hybrid model, you have an on-premise Active Directory and on-premise other pieces like Lync Enterprise Voice, and you have stuff in the cloud. And basically, within the hybrid model, you can choose where to home that user. Now, that works very well. People like myself who are constantly on the go, having me homed in the cloud, chances are I'm probably nearer, and looking back at my last 6 months' work, I'm actually nearer my home server in Amsterdam than I am here in the UK. So to some degree, it's about picking what that right balance is. Do you want all your AD in the cloud? Do you want or all of it on premise? And what we're seeing, a lot of companies will split that for good cost advantage. The cost of maintaining the additional services necessary inside is a lot higher than buying that capacity from Lync. So, from Office 365. So the on-premise versus hybrid is really kind of where you want your users to live. Once you decided that, then it's just a matter of homing the user correctly. Do I want my mailbox to be online? Now, speaking personally, I do. And so that's how I've set that up for my own Lync Office 365 implementation. In order to have any of the Lync Exchange SharePoint components, I need Active Directory somewhere. Active Directory is the source for things like my per user where their mailbox is, per user what their Lync line phone number is. So I've got to have Active Directory somewhere. Now, if I'm a small business without Active Directory on site, then you have options. I could have an on-premise Active Directory. That's going to require a couple of extra computers and a lot of maintenance work. Or I could just put the whole lot in the cloud. So as I provision my Office 365 account, I buy the account, and then I simply get a very simple spreadsheet, send it up, push the button, and literally a couple seconds later, I now have all my users all fully up there. I can then go and add to them their entitlements. Do they want Lync? And so on. So I can manage all that very simply through the GUI.